Alright guys, welcome to this video. As you can see, this is a little bit of a new setting. It's also weird for me sitting here like talking to myself on the screen, but I've got an announcement to make. No, I just wanted to say thank you for 500 subscribers, as you already saw in the title. It's a pretty large number for me because I just started the channel like 2 years ago out of fun, because I wanted to make videos about the MRS, help other people with stuff where I couldn't find the right videos on how to do it, and this was like my inspiration. And now 500 people thought, yeah, that guy is kind of funny to watch, or maybe also only because it's so cringe to watch that you subscribed, I don't know. Whatever it is, thank you for subscribing, thank you for staying with me for like, yeah, 2 years now. And it's always crazy to imagine 500 people in front of me watching this stuff. It's yeah, I know there are other YouTubers with millions of subscribers, but yeah, for me already 500 is pretty crazy. So thank you a lot. I've got a lot more stuff planned for the channel, for the car. Smaller ideas, bigger ideas, whichever I'm able to realize, I will realize. So stay tuned for that. And also the stuff that I teased in my announcement video for 2022. Depending on how my luck will help me with that, there could be some bigger changes coming for the channel. And yeah, but I will talk about that once it's like, yeah, once there is something to talk about. If I don't know if this anything will happen, it's not useful talking about it. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, everything. I have a lot more ideas for cool content, I would say, or at least I hope it will be cool content. It's for you to judge that. But yeah, to come to the real topic of this video, I wanted to do to give something back to my viewers and everybody who watches the videos. So I wanted to do a little giveaway, and what I made right here is this. I used my new lathe to turn this. I don't know if it's in focus, but I will put some pictures of it installed in the car and everything. This is a Shiftknob. I turned this on my lathe out of a standard piece of aluminum. It's full aluminum, decent weight, not too heavy, not too light. I only have the RX-8 Shiftknob as a comparison. I think it's tiny bit lighter than the RX-8 Shiftknob, which is pretty heavy, but a lot heavier than the standard MRS one. So some people like it, some like lighter Shiftknobs, but since this is turned out of a full chunk of aluminum, that's just the weight it has. So but yeah, that's the design that I came up with. I really like it. It was my first practice turning anything on the lathe, and has these little grooves right here for a design. It's polished a little bit, so and I already fit it in the MRS. It fits pretty good. It has the M12 by 1.25 thread pitch on the bottom, so it perfectly fits the MRS, or I don't know which other cars have the same thread pitch, but yeah, I want to give that away to one of my followers. So just to give you something back. I also don't want this to be like a giveaway where I say, yeah, everybody subscribe, you can win something. That's not the purpose of this video. So I don't even know if I'm writing giveaway in the title or not. So if you've seen this, you probably have read the title. So but even if you're not subscribed and see this video, I would be really happy. I hope not. I would be really happy to welcome you as my subscriber for future videos. And of course, anybody who sees this video and wants to participate can participate, because there's no way in which I could control if you're subscribed or not, because some people have it activated that they can see when they follow me, but most people don't, so there's no way I could control it. But I would be really happy if only people participate that are really subscribed to the channel and really watch the videos, because this is something I want to give back to those people who constantly watch the videos. And also there are also some people who really watch every video and comment on every video. Also thanks to you. I think if you're watching this video, you will know that you're meant with that. So thanks a lot. And yeah, this is my try to give something back. And how I'm gonna make this giveaway is, or my idea with that was, because I don't want to do like a sketchy or strange giveaway where I say, yeah, you can win a stupid amount of stuff, and in the end nobody knows who has won, or who won the giveaway, or if the person really got what they won. So I want to keep it simple and want to make it as transparent as possible. So my idea was to yeah, that everybody who wants to participate writes a comment on this video, and obviously I would be very appreciative if you are subscribed when you participate. So yeah, and then just write a comment with "I participate in the giveaway," whatever you want to write. And then I really need a contact info, like an Instagram name, or if you want to write down an email or a Discord username or whatever you come up with. Facebook would be possible, or any username on any website where I can contact you. But it would be intelligent to use something where really active, like for instance Instagram or emails, which you look into. So because if the winner doesn't respond like within a week or so, I will go back and choose another person, because yeah, I want to give this thing away and not just wait for somebody to reply a month. So yeah, just write down I will make a anywhere, right or left, a list of everything, so you can see what I mean. Write down a comment with any contact info, and then I will give you 2 or 3 weeks, something like that. The date will be here, which ends the giveaway, and until that date, 2 or 3 weeks, you will have time to write a comment. And on that day I will close the giveaway and make a live stream on YouTube, which will be very cringe, but I don't care. So yeah, we'll make a live stream and comment on everybody who yeah, did everything right with the participation, like wrote down his name and then I want to participate and its contact info, and then I'm going to comment on that with numbers from 1 to however how many people will participate, and then I'm going on the random number generator in the stream live, that anybody who's awake, it's like not that easy with a time difference, with my mainly my viewers being in America or Japan or anywhere else, and me being in Germany. So doesn't matter. Whoever watches the live stream can watch it, and I will choose a random number, or I'm not gonna choose it. My PC is gonna choose the number, and then I'm going to look onto the video, search the comment which has this number, and that person won. And yeah, that's everything how I would think the giveaway could work. I'm going to obviously going to upload the live stream, because not many people will be able to watch it, I think. So I will upload it so everybody can yeah, really check it in afterwards. So they know who won and that everything was legit. Because, as I said, I don't want to do sketchy giveaways where nobody knows if I really gave something away or not. This is not something to gain subscribers or anything. It's, yeah, my try to give something back to my subscribers, which is this Shiftknob. And of course, it would be useful. This Shiftknob was designed for the MRS from the height, which it screws onto the shifter, and from the design and from the thread pitch and everything. So it would be really useful if only people would participate that have an MRS, or whoever plans to buy an MRS. That's fine too. Or I don't know which other cars have the same thread pitch, the M12 by 1.25. So if your car has the same thread pitch and it isn't an MRS, obviously you can still participate. And even if you don't have a car at all, or your car doesn't have this thread pitch, you could also adapt it with this thread insert. But yeah, I can't control who participates in the giveaway or who has what cars. So, but my intention was to give it away to an MRS driver, because my channel is obviously about MRSs. And yeah, so I think that's everything I have to say. I don't want to stretch out the video too much with useless talking, but if I have forgot anything, you will see it written down on the screen. And yeah, I would say thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for commenting and liking and disliking also, because that shows me what people like, what people don't like. I don't know. So yeah, I hope I will see you in the next video or in the next videos. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you. Bye.